welcome back to the channel. Now, Asante Kotoko have scored 14 goals in the Ghana Premier League this season, and today I'll be giving you my top 5 goals the players have scored in this 2019-2020 season. So let's get into it. At number 5, we have Justice Blay's goal against 11 Wonders, and this was the first goal of the season. Let's take a look.
The element of the game in Kotoko Pese almost unsettled Catchman 11 Wonders by getting the initial goal.
There you go. And a Chief Justice Blay. And I can't share the first goal.
At number 2, we have Matthew CUDJOE's goal against EBUSUA DWARFS. Let's take a look.
Patrick Yeboah delivering the crosses all afternoon, and this is the moment where the Kotoko Kid made history, scoring his first goal for Kotoko in the Ghana Premier League. Matthew CUDJOE Enim.
Absolutely, but the ball coming through here was brilliant here. And just a big credit to him because he saw him.
Right at number 3, we have IMORO Ibrahim's wonderful free kick goal against BECHEM United. Let's take a look.
Moro! Strike. Just look at how he took it. That's magnificent. Up and over the one. The goalkeeper, Prince Asempa, had absolutely no answers to that.
At number 2, we have that famous Justice Blay's header against House of Oak in Accra. Let's take a look.
This can be dangerous. It's a goal! Justice Blay! Kotoko up by 1 goal to 0. And I just mentioned it. Now take a look at the movement. What a ball! What a ball that was! What a ball that was!
Finally, at number 1, can you guess? Can you guess? At number 1, we have Augustine Okroa's wonderful chip goal against Legon Cities in Accra. So those are my top 5 goals Asante Kotoko have scored this season. If you have any nice goal or anyone you think I've forgotten that I didn't include in my top 5, I would like to hear them in the comment box. So till next time guys, goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe.